Hello, 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 hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Yeah. Today, very important concept. Yesterday, what I told DDL, DML, DCL, TCL, DQL, something is there, no, in the sub-languages. Those things, abbreviations, and also some commands I am telling. Okay, na? Yeah. But today, observe it here. Suppose before we are starting award, these DDL, DML, DCL practical knowledge, compulsory some other knowledge is required. What is that one? Means screen observe it. Anybody attending award yesterday class? I am creating a table without any knowledge. Observe it here. Create table, table name, for example. Any table I am creating, for example, bank one is a table, for example. Here you are observing or not, account number is a column name I am taking, but in that account number we are storing a numbers. That's why number something I am writing. What is this one? This is called a data type. Whenever we are writing a DDL, DML, some commands means compulsory data type knowledge is required. Oh, maybe in this column in a future we are storing a what? Numbers. In this column, we are storing a what? Characters, like that only. Suppose here, name. Okay, na? Yeah. Here, where cat2 something is there. What is this one? What is where cat2? What is where cat? What is cat? Today, I will tell you, don't worry. Observe it here. Whenever I am declaring a what? That data type, then only end users or developers are allowed to store data based on data types. Suppose here number is a data type is there. That's why here we are allowed to store numbers. Suppose 1001 is a account number. Come on. Here where cat2 something is there. Here we are allowed to store characters like this. Suppose here my name Murali only account holder like this. Observe it here. Whenever they are storing a what data, then only and now here we are viewing a what that a table. Now check it out. Here, observe it here. Yes. Account number 1001. Name Murali. Is there or not? Yes, here. Now check it out. Check it out here. This is a presently one project is going on in a bank, one project. Suddenly you are working in a company means suddenly they're asking, add a new column into this existing table. They're asking. Whenever they're asking about a client requirement, adding a new column into this existing table means in a future you are good at what? DDL command, alter table, don't write it, just observe it here. Table name, table name, here add, here balance is a column, here which data type we are storing in a future that we are writing like this. Whenever you are writing like this, automatically, yes, the table is altered or not? Yes, here. Observe here. This type of knowledge purpose you are learning about DDL, DML like this. Now, suppose in this balance, morally is a balance is not there. For example, they are giving a what? Some balance means just we have to type a some command. 1 minute, observe here. Don't write it anything. Balance is equal to now check it out here automatically. Yes, here account number 1001, name Murali, and balance 5000 is there or not? What is this one? Suppose I am typing a what? Sometime update, sometime alter, sometime create, sometime insert, sometime okay select like this. Because I know what is going on in a database DDL, DML, DCL, DQL, DCL. I know that's why I am writing a what properly like this simple way. But you are a first time newcomer, you are confusing. What is going on, what is typing, like this only. That's why you are also good at what these DDL, DML means. You are also, according to requirement, easy we are handling a what database projects. Okay, yeah, that's why before we are starting a what these DDL, DML, DCL, compulsory every programmer must familiar data types. Data types knowledge is required. Okay, now what is data types means everyone knows. Suppose here in this column we are storing a what numbers. In this column we are storing a characters. In this column we are storing a numbers. That's why always data type specifies type of data within a table column. Because table format only data is storing or not in a relational databases. Yesterday I told, yeah. Here, employee number, numbers, e-name, characters, dates, date, like this. And now here, check it out. Here, these are the data types are there. Observe it here, 1 minute only. Here, what is this one? Number, varchar2, date, number of p, s, something is there or not? Yes, here. These data types knowledge is there, then only we are creating a what tables, altering a tables properly. Otherwise, difficult. That's why data type specifies type of data within a table column. But so many data types are there in a Oracle. Oracle side different, SQL Server side different, MySQL side slight difference only. But Oracle side, what are the data types are there means char is there, varchar is there, varchar2 is there, number of p is there, number of p, s is there, date is there, timestamp is there, row ID is there, CLOB is there, BLOB is there, B file is there, row ID is there. Like this, so many data types are there, but all the data types not required to learn about a first time newcomer. Only fundamental programmer, all the data types they try to learn means confusing, really confusing, because what is going on, they doesn't have an idea. That's why better to know first, at least initial stage, DDL, DML, TCL, these type of commands purpose. Minimum 3 data types you must familiar. Observe here. Here, numbers are storing most of the time in our some columns. In this column, sometimes it will be storing a characters. No, yeah. In this column, it will be storing the dates. No, that's why numbers, characters, dates is a mandatory concepts in every database also. That's why always I am telling about minimum these three data types properly, because these three data types you have an idea also, you are creating a tables properly. Simple. That's why Oracle having so many data types also. Today we are learning about three data types. One is char is a data type. Observe here, char is a data type. Again, this char is okay. We are converting today. Okay, varchar2 of size. Again, varchar also there. Char, varchar2. All the things I will tell you. Don't worry. Again, number of p, s. Again, date. These three mandatory to know. Okay, na? Yeah. Anybody newcomers means take a snap. This one. Data type specifies type of data within a table column. Oracle having following data types. These are char, varchar2 of size, number of p, s. What is p? What is s? I will tell you. Don't worry. Date. Today, practical I will show you. Why? Because practically only you are understandable char and varchar2 differences. Otherwise, confusing. That's why without any knowledge of practical means confusing only. I will show you internal concept also. Did you complete this one? Take a snap. Okay, very good. Now check it out. Hello, hello, hello. It is audible now. Today Friday, no, slowly I will tell you. Don't worry. Some fellows are out of station. Complete. All are take a snap. Yeah. Okay. Anybody wants? Now check it out. Concentrate here. Concentrate. Very interesting only. Suppose char is a data type is there. For example, I am also, you are also thinking, oh, nothing is there, Murali sir. Char means why you are telling about very slowly, with that is nothing is there. Here, maybe character data we are allowed to store, then only we are using a what? Char is a data type. We are thinking generally, but that is wrong one. Not only character data. Always char and varchar2, these all data types are used to store a what? Alphanumeric data. This is important. Terminology most powerful. Alphanumeric data. What is alphanumeric data means? Very easy. combination of characters, numbers, and some special symbols like that. Suppose how you are understandable that one means, maybe so many fellows are having idea. Suppose you are joining a company, your details compulsory. Okay, so now they are storing in aware some databases only. In that case, suppose your mail ID, you are observing or not, mail ID is the best example. Alphanumeric data. Mail ID means, yes, everyone having a what idea. Mail ID having a what characters are there, special symbols are there, and also numbers are there. Those all the combination is nothing but a what? Alphanumeric data. Those mail IDs are okay storing a what in every database also, either varchar or char or Oracle means varchar2. But the difference is there, don't worry. Now check it out. Observe it here. Suppose I try to create a table today. Don't write it. Create table name. Here my table, for example, anything, my interest purpose I am writing. Here in this one, name of the employee I try to store. Care. Don't write it, just observe. Here mail ID I try to store. Mail ID through year understandable. Care of 20. And now check it out. Here I try to insert a data, insert into here my table, anything, don't write it, just observe here. Here, oh, okay, here my name is Murali, I try to store here character data, but here, yes, my mail ID I try to store. And now here, check it out, here like this. Here 21 is there, here 20 I'm giving. For example, one thing I'm removing, don't worry. And now here, check it out. Here, I try to store like this. Now observe it here. Observe it here. More size I'm giving means not working. No? Yeah. And now check it out. Here, observe it here. Yes. Here, okay. My mail ID I'm writing. In this case, here come here in a numbers, in a special symbols, in a dot operator, in a at the rate, okay, in a character, in a numbers also possible or not. That is called alphanumeric data. But by using a what a cat data type, we are allowed to store fixed length alphanumeric data in bytes. In Oracle side, each and every character is a 1 byte. Each and every number is a 1 byte. Each and every symbol is a 1 byte. That's why what is the definition they are providing means, here char means, don't write it, observe it here. It is used to store fixed length alphanumeric data in bytes. What is fixed length? What is the variable length? I will tell you whenever we are starting a varchar2. Why? Because through that one you are understandable. It is used to store fixed length alphanumeric data in bytes. Here alphanumeric data. What is the syntax of the varchar data type means? 1 minute, observe here. Suppose anybody good at C, C++, Java, these type of languages side, exact opposite declaration. Suppose C language, Java language, these type of languages side, you are declaring a what? Variables, how can I? Everyone knows, no? Technical persons having idea. Integer space variable name. Here integer is a what? A data type. A is a variable, no? Yes, in a future, in a variable, we are storing a what? Integer. Okay, that's why here data type specifies the type of, which type of data we are storing in a variable or not. Yes, but Oracle said reverse. What the syntax means? Here left hand side data type is there, right hand side variable is there, but Oracle said reverse syntax. Left hand side variable, right hand side data type. That is the syntax. Left hand side variable. Variable is not there in a SQL side. PL SQL side variable is there. That's why column name. Here data type. Right hand side. This is a way data type. That's why always what is the syntax of the cat data type means, here column name. Left hand side, which one? Column name. Okay, right hand side, which one? Char. Here size. What is the size means? Some number. What is the number means? I will tell you. Okay, that is the syntax. Now here, that's why left hand side, here column name, right hand side size only. Don't write it. Observe it here. Observe it here. Concentrate here. Now check it out. Okay, cat data type nobody using nowadays. What the problem is, I will tell you. Don't worry. Where cat to where cat something only that we are using. Okay, but what is this one? I will tell you now. First, observe it here. Actually, what is the maximum size of the cat data type? For example, I am declaring a one column is a char is a data type. Here 2 means up to 2 bytes. Here 5 means up to 5 bytes or 5 characters we are allowed to store. More than that one not possible. Okay, yeah. Suppose 10 means up to 10 bytes we are allowed to store. Here 100 means up to 100 bytes we are allowed to store. But unfortunately, what is the maximum size? Up to how many bytes we are allowed to store means everyone knows. Anybody having an idea? Very good. One fellow is telling correct. Java developers also well-known persons, I think, up to 2000 bytes. In a old and is 256, but 7.0 onwards. Oracle side CAD data type giving a what? Which one? What is the maximum size of the CAD data type? Up to 2000 bytes only. Where 2 different, but char up to 2000 bytes of alphanumeric data we are allowed to store. That's why maximum size of the CAD data type is up to 2000 bytes only. Okay, yeah. But unfortunately, that is everyone knows. Okay, na? Yeah, I know, you know, everyone knows. But what is my doubt? Screen observe it. Suppose is very interesting. You are only tell me correctly. Suppose one table is there, any table. Okay, na? Yeah. For example, here J1 is a table. In this one, name is a column. I am declaring, for example. Here in a feature in this name column, I want to store character data. For example, okay, fine. I am not interested to give any size only. Only char is a data type I am giving only. Working or not working? Very good. Working. We are not giving any size also. It is working. But whenever you are not giving a size, how many bytes we are allowed to store here, developer or any end user? How many bytes we are allowed to store? Very good. One fellow is guessing great. 1 byte. That's why in char data type, whenever you are not specifying any size means by default, how many bytes we are allowed to store? Only 1 byte. Suppose I am a developer means I try to store A. Possible? Possible. Suppose I try to store A, B, possible? Not possible because 2 character means 2 bytes. Impossible. Suppose I try to store X, possible? Yes, possible. 1 byte, no? Yes, each character. Here XY possible? Not possible. Very good. That's why always char data type, we are not giving any size means by default size is what? 1 byte. Why I am stressing that one? Very easy concept also means where char2 side that default size is not there. That's why difference is there. Now observe it here 1 minute only. In Oracle by default char data type having a what? How many bytes? 1 byte. Column name char. Up to this one more clear or not? Yes. But why they are not preferring means I will tell you now diagrammatically and practically. First, take a snap this one. Anybody interested means take a snap. Very good. Okay. Yeah. This one also take a snap. Okay. Up to this one very easy, but now onwards different. Now onwards 15 minutes concentrate. 15 minutes. Not a 5 minutes, 15 minutes only. Why? Because big concept is there. Actually, finished. Now, anybody observing also, anywhere also in our projects, sorry, in our project side, in a company side, anybody are roughly observing a what predefined table side, always Oracle giving a what? Where char2 only they are giving. Char anywhere also not available. Working, but nobody interested to prepare. Here observe it here. Where char2, next where char also there. What is the difference? I will tell you, don't worry. But where is the char? Char nobody using. Why means one memory management problem is there. What is that one means? Observe it here. Easily understandable, but practically slight difference is there where char2, char. Observe it here. Practically I will show you. Suppose first observe it here. I am creating a table, for example. 1 minute, observe it here. This is a J1 is a table. Any table, for example. In this table, I am declaring a what? One column, for example. What is the problem with the char data type? Easily understandable now. Practically, I will show you why, because practically different. And now observe here. Here, I am declaring a what? Char is a some size. For example, roughly 10 bytes I am declaring. For example, okay, yeah. J1 is a table, name is a column. I try to define a what? A maximum size, 10. I am giving 10 in my column side. What they are telling a Oracle Corporation, whenever we are declaring a what? 10 is a size, or 20 or means 20, 30 means 30, like this. 10 is a size means automatically maximum how many bytes of memory is allocated? 10 bytes of memory is allocated here. 10 means 10 bytes of memory is allocated. Slowly observe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now you try to store a what a data into this table explicitly. Here I try 15 minutes concentrate. So many things are there. Observe here. I try to store my name morally like this. Whenever I try to store my name, what happened internal memory side in a database side? M U R A L I. My name is storing here, but you are observing or not observed here? Here I am declaring a 10 is a size I am declaring. But how many bytes we are filling? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But remaining bytes, how many bytes are wasted? Very good. 4 bytes are wasted. Observe here. 4 bytes are wasted or not in this example side. Easily understandable. That's why whenever we are trying to store less number of bytes, more number of bytes means not working. Less number of bytes than the maximum size specified in a declaration, then automatically disk space is wasted. This is the problem. When we are trying to store less number of bytes than the maximum size specified in a declaration in a cat data type, some bytes are wasted or not? Yes, remaining bytes are wasted or not? This is a drawback. Okay, yeah, but I try to use where cat to. Next, observe here, observe here, observe here. Slowly observe here. Here something is there. Then difference practically I will tell you. Whenever we are trying to use a where to, next where to, first I am telling, then only where I will tell you, don't worry. Same where to, same thing I am declaring where to, next variable length alpha numeric data is there. Don't worry, just observe it here. Here also I am giving a size 10. Now what they are telling me is, yes, here also 10 bytes of memory is allocated, 10 we are giving me. Murali you are storing, but remaining bytes are never wasted. These remaining bytes are automatically deallocated. What is this one? Everyone telling like this. Whenever we are trying to store where to or next where some data types are there, don't worry. In those data type side, when we are trying to store less number of bytes than the maximum size specified in a declaration, not a more number of bytes, less number of bytes than the maximum size specified in a declaration, then remaining bytes are never wasted. Automatically remaining bytes are deallocated. That's why memory management side compared to care, preferring a what? Where care in all databases, where care is available or not in a Oracle, I will tell you next, don't worry. Otherwise, where cat 2 is available, that where cat 2 they are using only. Okay, yeah. What is where cat 2 up to now? You don't have an idea. Just observe differences. Okay, yeah. Automatically, this is deallocated. Memory is never wasted. Okay. Any books we are referring, any Google we are referring, every other writing like that only. Okay, really that is correct. Okay, fine. How it is working, nobody knows. But okay, everyone other writing like that. But unfortunately, I am a first time newcomer. I never satisfied. Really that is correct or not? I am confusing. I am interested to view practically possible. No. If you want to interested to view practically that remaining bytes are deallocated or not means you are an experienced person, then only possible. Suppose I'm so experienced person, that's why now I try to show you practically difference between care and where care 2 or where care next is there, those data types in a memory management side. Really, where care 2 data type side remaining bytes are never wasted or not. Now practically I will show you. Why? Because C language, you have an idea. In a C language, printf is a function is there, no? Scanf is a function is there, no? Same like in a Oracle side, dump is a function is there. Don't afraid, just observe it here. Oh, maybe I'm experienced person means I'm telling differently. That's why just observe it. Gain the what knowledge is important. Here, dump is a function is there. Through this dump function, I am a senior most programmer means I try to interested to check. Oh, char data type, this is a problem. Where char2 data type, this is a problem. Easily, I'm satisfied only. Otherwise, automatically deallocated means theory okay. Practically, we are being means, oh, yes, this is really going on. Understandable. Through the dump function, we are checking what really how internally bytes are allocated in a Oracle memory management side. But dump function returns a what ASCII values. Don't worry. Maybe some fellows are ASCII value of particular characters, names, they have an idea. That's why I'm showing only. Now check it out. Screen observe it. 1 minute observe it here. Practical observe it here. Suppose that's why 15 minutes I'm taking a time for observation. Observe it here. Observe here. Slowly observe it here. Create table. You don't have an idea, but observe it. Create table. Table name. In a table. Observe it here. In this table, otherwise, in a test is a table is there. I don't know. Yes, test is a table. I try to create. Observe it here. Create table. Table name test. In this test table, name is a column. Char is a data type. First time defining. Char. Here 10 bytes I am declaring. For example, 10 bytes means easier we are remembering. Insert into table name, test values. What is insert? You don't have an idea. Also logical observe it here. My name I'm interested. Always here Murali I'm inserting. Now here my name is Murali means 6 bytes. 6 bytes. Yes, this data is storing. Okay, fine. Here, end user, okay, so now select star from test. Their typing means, oh, name is a column, Murali is a data is storing. Okay, but I am a senior most programmer means really remaining 4 bytes are wasted or not. I want to interested to check. Possible. How means here screen observe it, screen observe it. I am a tester. I am a good database tester means just a dump is a function through. I'm testing only. Testing. Really bytes are remaining bytes are wasted or not. I'm confusing because explicitly not visible. That's why internally whatever data arrangement is there, that is I'm interested to check. How means observe it here, don't write it, just observe it here. I'm checking. Select dump is a function. Here, what is the column? Name is a column. From here test. Don't write it. Whenever dump function through I'm testing means I'm experienced person means ASCII value of the where characters it will be showing. Don't afraid. ASCII value also not a problem. Now check it out. Observe it here. Yes. Here screen observe it. Here onwards observe it here. At least here onwards observe it here. Here 109 onwards observe it here. Yes. This is a bytes internal arrangement of the where your data. Okay. Yeah. Here 109. Now observe it here. 109. 1 minute. 117. 114. 97. 108. 105. Here 32 is there. What is 32 means? I will tell you now. Observe it here. Suppose what is the ASCII value of M means yes here 109. U 117. Small u. R okay 114. Small a means 97. Capital A different no? Yeah. I'm giving like L I. Murali is storing a what here? Murali ASCII value format here it will be written. Yes, here that's why here Murali is storing like this or not? Yes, but what is the ASCII value of 32? Anybody experienced person is there in our class in a technically? Very good. Java developers are telling correct. Very good. ASCII value of 32 is nothing but a what? A blank space. Correct. Very good. That's why how many blank spaces are there here? 4 blank spaces are there here. That's why I am declaring a what 10 bytes, but I try to store 6 bytes. Remaining 4 bytes are okay. Blank spaces are there or not? Yes, here. Oh, maybe blank space 32. ASCII value of 32 is nothing but a what? Blank space. Very good. Correct. You are telling a what correct. Okay. Yeah. Here now. Here. Observe here. Concentrate here. Okay. Now check it out here. Observe it here. One fellow is asking only Murali, sir, whenever where care to deallocate the memory, that is we are using, no, automatically. Okay, always deallocated means automatically compressed. Okay, na? Yeah. Again, that another memory is there. Okay, na? Yeah, don't worry. And now check it out. Concentrate. Whatever data you are giving, that one. Suppose where care to I try to declare. Really here, whatever data you are giving, that one only storing. Suppose observe it here. Create. How it will be executed in Notepad? That is later. Okay, so first observe it here. Data types knowledge. This one. Create table. Table name, test, only logic observed today. Okay, yeah. Here, same column I try to use name column. Here, where care 2, I am declaring. Next, where care 2, where care is there. Don't worry. Okay, yeah. Okay, some data type is there. 10 bytes I am declaring here. Okay, yeah. Now, this table is there. Don't worry, this table already there. And now check it out. In the same name is there. So now observe it here. Suppose here test one is a table I am creating. Okay, yes, here. Now check it out. Now here test one is a table I am creating here. Create table test one. Here name is a column. Here where care 2 of 10 I am creating. Okay, 1 minute observe here. Suppose I try to insert a data. Insert into here test one values like this. Now slowly observe it here. Here I am giving a what my name Murali like this. Here 6 bytes. Murali means 6 bytes. Okay. Now I try to view that table data. Yes, explicitly it is not visible how it will be storing or anything. Just oh maybe table format here care and where care to all same thing is displayed or not. Morally is displayed. But I am an experienced person. I want to view really remaining bytes are never wasted. Everyone telling only automatically that is deallocated. Whatever data you are giving only that much of memory only reserved. Everyone telling only that is correct or not. I want to view means only dump function through possible. Now observe here, select, I'm experienced person means I'm checking, dump is a function, just here, what is the column? Name is a column, from, what is the table? Test one is a table. Okay, now, yeah. Now, whenever I'm typing a what like this, screen observe it now observe it here. Yes, here 109 onwards observe it. Type and all these things you don't have an idea, just observe it here. Suppose here Murali, Murali, Murali is storing here. Here Murali, but here NA 32 is there, not there. Oh, maybe not there means blank spaces are not there. Maybe this memory is deallocated or not. It is not visible anything. Oh, maybe blank spaces are there means then 32 is displayed. But here 32 is not displayed means oh maybe blank spaces are not there. You are understandable. That's why whenever we are learning a what next another data type is there where care to, next another data type where care is there, what is the difference between where care to, these all the things we are learning, don't worry. But before that one, yes, why they are not using regularly care data type, regularly using where care to, where care next something is there. Now here means reason is there when we are trying to store less number of bytes than the maximum size specified in a declaration in a char data type, some bytes are wasted or not. Yes. Whereas in where char 2, those bytes are never wasted. That is keep it in mind. Suppose I am not an experienced person, for example, I don't know, yes, what is dump function. I am a fresher level or first time newcomer. I want to interested to test a simple way. Possible. How means? Anybody having idea? C long ways. In a C long ways, total length of the string including spaces means which function is there? String length function. strlen is the function is there or not? Same like length is a function is there in a Oracle side. It is also returns a what? A total length of the string including spaces. Yes, through this one also we are interested to check a what? Yes, oh, remaining bytes are wasted or not. Easily you are checking. Possible. Really correct? Yes. Now check it out. Suppose. Now observe it here again. Test one table, you have an idea? Observe it here, observe it here. Concentrate, concentrate. Here in this test one table, I am declaring a what? Which one? Varchar. You are observing or not? Varchar I am declaring, no? Yeah. Now I am interested to test by using a length function. I am declaring a what? This name column, how many bytes? 10 bytes I am declaring. Here varchar 2 of 10. What is 2 means later, don't worry. Okay, 10 I am declaring only. Okay, yeah. Whenever I am declaring a what? 10 bytes in a test one table, I try to find out a what a total length of the string. Anybody telling in our class? Great. Suppose select length. Length means same like a string length function in a C language. Length is a function. Okay, na? I'm a tester means I try to test. Here name column from test one. What is the output? Number is there. What is the number? Anybody guess it? Anybody logically they are good means they are guessing. Very good. 3 persons are telling great. Correct. 6. Why? Because 10 bytes you are declaring also. Murali only storing MURALI. Here this is a 6 bytes, no? Oh, maybe here 6 total length of the string including spaces. Spaces are not there. Blank spaces are not there. That's why 6 it will be written. Very good. Correct. 100% correct. Yes, 6. You are guessing correct answer. Very good. Okay. Yeah. Now check it out. One fellow is asking only Murali sir, dump is not in SQL sublanguage. That is not a SQL sublanguage. That is what? Functions. In a future, functions are there. To care, to date, okay, sysdate, add underscore months, lpad, rpad, substring, instring. So many functions are there. That is different. These are sublanguages are different. Okay, yeah. And now observe it here. Next, functions, operators we are learning. Don't worry. Next, observe here. Observe here. Suppose I try to use a what? Select star from what is the what? Test is a table is there. Okay, yeah. Test is a table is there. In this test table, you are observing or not? Name column. I try to declare a what? Already. I declared which one? Char data type. Char data type. I am declaring. Here 10 bytes I am declaring. Okay, now really blank spaces are there or not? Here I want to interested to test means here Murali is a 6 bytes are there. Now I want to test means select length is a function. Yes, here now here name is a column from test. What is the output? Anybody guess it? Very good. One fellow is guessing 100% correct. Here 10 bytes. Why? Because your imagination 10 bytes I'm declaring means easy. Very good. Okay, total length of this string including spaces, no? MURALI, my name Murali, only storing. Okay, like this. Here how many bytes? 6. Okay, yeah. 1 minute, observe here 6 bytes. Here 6 plus here 4 bytes are internally there. Okay, observe it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Internally there 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why 6 plus 4 is totally how much? 10. Very good. Correct. That's why always length function same like a string length function, same like a string length function in a C language. It returns total length of the string including spaces. Here these blank spaces also calculated. That's why 4 bytes are there plus 6 bytes filling only. That's why 10 is the output. Correct. You are guessing a what? Correct answer 10. In a previous case 6, no, where cat 2 side, but here 10. That's why always here whenever we are try to store, and now Yogi is telling only in Java 1 byte has size 256. Then here how can we say 1 byte is equal to 1 char? This is not a Java. Okay, this is Oracle. Are you sleeping? And now here that's what different databases, different okay, softwares, different concepts are there. Okay, yeah, don't compare with those things, those stupid things only. And now here observe it here, very important. Whenever we are try to store, listen carefully whenever I am telling what anything. Now here observe it here. Whenever we are try to store less number of bytes, not a more, okay, less number of bytes than the maximum size specified in a where cat data type, then, okay, remaining bytes are wasted in a where cat data type side. Whenever we are using a what, a where cat to next data types are there, in that one, remaining bytes are never wasted. How much easy? Okay, yeah. Those are all the things again. Okay, so now extension we are learning only. Now here, yes, here. Okay, I am so experienced person. Utilize this knowledge only. Nobody telling about this much of patience way, anything also. You have to check it out everywhere. That's why whenever I'm telling anything means just listen and grasp it and utilize and improve your skills only through the net. That is better. Okay, yeah. Utilize knowledge. Okay, yeah. Because very less time on all these things. Okay. Monday I will tell you remaining. Thank you. Another class is there. PLSQL. Monday will continue. Thank you. Next I will tell you what is the difference where care to so many things. Listen. Saturday Sunday there is no classes.